Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a digital design project share, and one is for the Hibiscus Love, and of course this is another one of Sandis digitals. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are amazing. Anyways, I will link her store down in the description below, her YouTube channel and her Facebook group as well. I will also link all the design team members that are part of this digital collection, or part of the design team for Sandy. I'm sorry, you guys. I will link them all down there. You guys go over, check them out. You know, these are amazing, amazing, amazing creators, and I'm just amazed on how creative everybody is, and nobody designs the same item. I mean, everybody has their own way of crafting, and they come up with the amazing designs. Anyways, let me go ahead and show you what my Hibiscus Love project is, and this is what I end up creating. Oh my gosh, this is so cute, you guys. So I did create this into a memory dex card. It was not a memory dex card. I thought it was the cutest, and then back here I went ahead, in order for me to not leave a blank, I went ahead and did fuzzy cut all these little cute animals, and I just put an envelope, and I did fuzzy cut this and just glued it on here so I could put my information on here, and that's what one looks like. Oh, you guys, I did create this pocket, and hopefully you guys could see it. It's a pocket, like, I guess you could say like a little pocket where it could hold anything. And my gosh, you guys, I did fuzzy cut all these right here, even the flowers. I fuzzy cut all of them, you guys. Oh my goodness. So I love how this turned out, and I did put did fuzzy cut these, and I put them in rosettes with glitter on the side, and this is what this little envelope looks like on its own. Isn't that the cutest, you guys? You guys, you can make like baby invitations and just put the invitation in here, and you don't even have to do this. Put the invitation in here, and or thank you, baby shower, or like a thank you, you know, thank you for coming. Oh my gosh, and put some chocolates, like something like this with chocolates, or you know, something in there, and that would be such the cutest thing ever, you guys. So that's another one of my projects. And then lastly, this is my last, and I made a little cute card, and then I haven't glued on here because I don't know if I'm going to leave this here, but this is another form of, you know, doing thank you. And of course Sandy also has these sentiments on her shop, and you guys, you could resize them, make them so many different sizes, as well as all these little characters. And inside I didn't put anything, it's just a blank card. So you guys, these are amazing. I will link everything down on the description below, as well as my affiliate link. You guys, if you guys use my affiliate link, it just gives me a little small commission to use for giveaways. So I am going to do a giveaway on this. I've been saying do giveaways, and I always forget somehow, and I do apologize for that. So I do want to give this to one of my lucky subscribers, and all you guys have to do is do Hibiscus Love. And you guys, let me show you who won. So towards the end of this video, my digital, the person that's going to win the digital for Hibiscus Love will be at the end of this video. I do apologize. I thought I did a screenshot on my iPad, but no, I took a picture of it on my phone. So I would just upload that at the end of this video. So thank you guys, everybody, for joining along. Thank you for your support. And for this one, make sure you put Hibiscus Love. Actually put project share. That would be better, project share, for the Hibiscus Love. And that just gives you a chance to enter and win. And you guys, make it a hush hush, so that way not, you know, people that don't watch the video are not just entering, just, you know, awesome project share or Hibiscus. You know what, I'm a little confused, you guys. So just put project share, and if you want Hibiscus Love, would probably be better, but project share probably be the best. Anyways, I do want to say that this will only be for you, as I do apologize for my international. But again, thank you everybody, and I just want to give something back to you guys. And again, we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.